There are 7 days. Come count with me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 1, 2, 3. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 2. Sunday's last, and then we're through.
The sun rises over the Lela family house.
On Monday morning, out we go. Emma waters the plants that grow. Muddy sneakers, sunny sky. Monday morning, say hi hi. Monday afternoon, sun so bright. Emma picks berries, red and light. Basket full, a happy cheer. Monday afternoon is here. When Monday evening starts to fall, Emma waves to the flowers, one and all. Tucked in tools, a sleepy yawn. Good night, garden. See you at dawn.
The sun rises over the Lela family house.
On Tuesday morning, up so high, Kai builds a rocket for the sky. 3, 2, 1, then off we zoom. Tuesday takes us past the moon. Tuesday afternoon, stars in view. Kai counts planets 1 by 2. Red and blue and swirly green, the coolest sky he's ever seen. When Tuesday evening dims the light, Kai waves goodnight to his rocket bright. Parked in the yard, all fueled and still, Tuesday's over. What a thrill!
The sun rises over the Lela family house.
On Wednesday morning in the kitchen, Ollie stirs. Something's delicious. Flour, sugar, a happy mess. Wednesday cooking is the best. Wednesday afternoon, the oven's hot. Ollie checks his cookies. A whole big pot. Golden brown and sweet to share. Yummy smells fill up the air. When Wednesday evening comes around, Ollie sets the table without a sound. Everyone eats what Ollie made. Best dinner of the day.
The sun rises over the Lela family house.
On Thursday morning, run and play. Jaden's active every way. Kick the ball and jump around. Thursday's full of happy sound. Thursday afternoon, race and chase. Jaden zooms at super pace. Tag and hopscotch, laughing loud. Thursday fun draws quite a crowd. When Thursday evening starts to cool, Jaden rests beside the pool. Tired legs, but one big grin. What a Thursday he was in.
The sun rises over the Lela family house.
On Friday morning, whirring, humming, Nova's little wheels come running. Beep, beep, boop, a gadget fix. Friday's full of robot tricks. Friday afternoon, lights that glow. Nova beeps a happy show. Spinning, whirring, dancing free. Friday robot jamboree. When Friday evening turns down low, Nova's lights begin to slow. Charging up with a gentle hum, Friday robot day is done.
The sun rises over the Lela family house.
On Saturday morning, sun so mild, Grandpa Joe walks with every child. Grandma waves from the garden gate. Saturday morning, don't be late. Saturday afternoon, Gather near, Grandpa's stories, hot cocoa cheer, Grandma's cookies, warm and sweet. Saturday is family treat. When Saturday evening candles glow, Grandma hums a tune soft and low. Grandpa tucks a blanket tight. Saturday, sweet dreams, good night.
The sun rises over the Lela family house.
On Sunday morning, take it slow. Baby Sam and Max and Luna go. Everyone together, calm and true. Sunday morning, just for you. Sunday afternoon, soft and slow. Max and Luna curl up in a row. Baby Sam giggles cozy and small. Sunday afternoon, best day of all. When Sunday evening fades to rest, the whole week ends. We did our best. 7 days, a happy song. See you Monday before too long. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday too, Thursday, Friday, we made it through. Saturday, Sunday, 7 days done. See you next week, everyone.